Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Just a reminder, after watching our tutorial, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for more in-depth WordPress and page builder tutorials. All right, now on to today's video. Hey guys, so in our previous video, we covered how to build a sign-up form for a tiered membership site with Bricks in combination with Paid Memberships Pearl, the free memberships plugin. So this video is going to assume that you've already watched that video, so we won't be going over what we already went over in that video before. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you should, and you can find the link in the description box, but not playlist. Now, today's tutorial is about restricting the content to your members. You may want, some posts that are freely available, and then other posts or content that would be restricted to only signed up members or premium paid members. Okay, and so today this video is going to show you how to do that. And at the end of the video, we'll also show you how to display teaser content. So only a little bit of your content is shown to entice people to sign up, and the rest free content be locked. So be sure to stick around for that, okay? So once you have Paid Memberships Pro installed, you could go to the Memberships menu in your WordPress dashboard. So here you could add, edit, or reorder your membership levels. You could set pricing and decide if the levels are free or paid. And you can enable and disable signups for each level. So we will have another video for setting up payments for your tiers. But for now, let's assume that's all done, or you don't need to set it up, So if you have a free tier, you don't have to worry about that, okay? Now, let's go ahead and restrict the content based on the membership level that you created. So the easiest way to do this is to go to the category of tags that you want to restrict. Then find the require membership option down here and select the boxes for the categories or the tags that this level could view or you want to lock this level at, and click update and save your changes. That's really that easy. Now, if you want to select specific posts or pages to lock or restrict, you go to those individual pages and do the same thing. Hey, if you're still watching this video, please do us a huge favor and press the like button so that we could keep making these tutorials for you. Okay, all right, back to the video. Okay, and now let's talk about teaser content. Teaser content's really good for displaying a little bit of content just to entice people to sign up, right? There's a little bit of teaser content, and then you can unlock the rest of your content behind like a call to action for them to sign up to read the rest of your content. A lot of publications do this, and this is a pretty great way to get new members. So there are a few ways to show the teaser text, but I'll talk about the easy way here, the way that to do it without any heavy editing of templates or whatnot. So what you do is under memberships, you go to settings and then advanced settings. And you just make sure this show excerpts to my members feature is set to yes. Now, if you do nothing else, this will automatically show the WordPress default of the first 55 words in your post and lock the rest of the content behind a sign-up requirement. But if you want a longer, shorter excerpt, or the excerpts are not showing up to non-members like you want it to, then you should go into your single post or single page bricks template that is used for displaying your restricted content, and then put the excerpt element in the content area, somewhere in the beginning. So you see this excerpt content element. There's a few options here that you can set, and of course you can stylize it too. That's the neat thing by using bricks for this. And if you don't want to mess with the WordPress templates, you can use the excerpt meta box in the WordPress editor to create an excerpt, or you can use the read more block in the WordPress editor to create an excerpt. And so that's about it. Now you've successfully set up content restriction on your WordPress site using Bricks and paid memberships Pro. Thank you. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below in which I'd get to it. And remember, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell. And do check out our website for more step-by-step Bricks tutorials. Okay. All right. Thank you.